Don't be nosy, just play the game. Hush. Ooh, that was close. Yeah, it was.
So was that.
I stopped for a second.
Here, just take your time.
Is this the last level?
I don't know, none of us can get past this one.
Come on, you can do it. I think I go really...
Just go slow. Stay in the middle. Up a little bit.
You did that to me!
Oh my god! Holy shit, it sounded so hard. Oh my god. Well, you're already scared. I gotta show you this.
I recorded
oh my god!
you.